This is my shed, or to be more precise, the place where a lot of YouTube videos take place. It is a little jank, a little dirty, and a little like what I'd want my future garage to look like. I wouldn't change anything in the shed, except for this box that has been holding our helmets since the dawn of time. It is pretty dirty in there, and I don't think it is the best place to put the only piece of protective gear between your head and the ground. This needs to change. I think we have our work cut out for us. The helmet hanger has to attach somehow to the workbench. These bolts are used to attach the handle to the work chest. I think it'll work perfectly for holding our helmets. All we need to do now is to figure out how we are going to hold our helmets. I know we want to make the back out of wood, but I need some way of hooking the helmets. We could use screws, but I don't have any and I don't want to go to the store to buy some. So we are going to need to make something completely new. This was the part of the process that took the most brain power. I knew there was some way to incorporate bike parts into the helmet hanger. It was just the how part that I was not so sure about. At first, I considered using a compilation of stems and little pieces of handlebar to make the hooks, but that would be quite a bit of bike parts that I could use on another bike. But then there was those pop tubes and a pile of bike parts that gave me an idea. This is the best part of my project when everything comes together. Now I know I can make this work. The building of this helmet rack was pretty straightforward. I just cut out 4 valves and stapled them to the board. Okay, that looks really ugly. It works, but it does not look as good as I would like it to. I landed on the idea of drilling a hole through the wood and popping the valve through that, and then stapling the valve on the back of the board. This worked a lot better and is not as ugly as the first version. Now to mount it to the work chest. This thing is sick. I can't believe that something I built actually worked. It is functional, a little jank, and a lot like how I'd like it to look. My favorite part of this build is how you can change the color of the valve caps, depending on what I'm feeling. Now the shed is complete. We have a place for bikes and a place for working on bikes. We have a place to work on weird projects and a place to put our helmets. Thanks for watching. As always, my name's Ben and this is Bad Bikes, and I will see you in the next video. God bless.